All right, we'll go ahead and get back to your forecast with meteorologist Robert Suhr.
Robert, a lot of us saw quite a bit of rain tonight. That's going to impact people in the morning commute tomorrow with another round, correct?
Yes, it is. We've got more rain rolling through Benton County right now, especially western Benton County. It's really thumping again. And this is what we're going to see, these waves of rain, on and off. They're going to come and go. River Valley, it is coming, I promise, but it's just taking a little bit longer than we thought. Large area that is currently under a flash flood warning from the earlier rains that we saw. And this does include all of Benton County, northwest Washington County. Plenty of heavy rainfall, as I mentioned, in Benton County now, rolling through Gravette, Hiawassee, up toward Bella Vista, about to get into Pea Ridge. Conditions will go downhill very quickly. Now, this isn't severe, but it's plenty strong. Frequent lightning, very heavy rain, probably some small hail as well. Now, what's good is this, the most intense area is moving through Gravette, kind of falling apart, which is good news, but probably definitely some hail in the Gravette area. And more rain is forming back across northern Texas. As I said earlier, the radar sweep doesn't go down that far, but you can see all the severe thunderstorm warnings in that part. So the more rain is coming. Now, earlier today, we'll show you what some of that rain looked like as we look toward the north. Those periodic thunderstorms rolling through Benton County and the Rogers area, really coming down at some points. We had rainfall rates 2 to 3 inches per hour. And we're not done. We still have about another 20 hours to go with this system, with the rainfall. Now look at the temperature difference. 48 in Gravette, but 64 in Elkin, 67 in Wesley, a nearly 20-degree temperature difference as some cooler air starts filtering in behind that very slow-moving front. But we're near 80 in the River Valley. But the conditions, the atmospheric conditions in the River Valley aren't really conducive right now for the rapid thunderstorm development, so they are dry, but that will change, especially as we go through the overnight hours. Notice here by 1 a.m., lots of rainfall moving into the area, and that includes northwest Arkansas as well as into the River Valley as well. And this is what we've been saying for the past couple of days. We think the River Valley's period of worst weather will be during the morning rush tomorrow morning, and we could start to worry again about some severe weather during the morning commute and into the late morning for Johnson, Logan, and Scott counties as well. But by tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening, everything starts to push off to the east, and we start to dry out, and it sets up a pretty nice weekend. Still have the flood watch for just about everybody, and that flash flood warning for Benton County and portions of Washington County, and especially as you get into southwest Missouri. All sorts of flooding up there. Still looking at scattered severe thunderstorms the rest of the night and into tomorrow morning. And we're still worried about that excessive rainfall. We've been seeing it at times all day long, mainly across Benton County and northeastern Oklahoma. But this will be sliding toward the south. It's taking its sweet time, but it is going to happen. And when all is said and done, 1, 2, 3 or more inches of rain certainly look likely. We're worried about river flooding as well for the Illinois and Poteau rivers. Temperatures tonight, it depends on where you are, lower 50s to mid 60s across the viewing area, and everybody only warming up into the 60s for tomorrow. There's a quick look at the extended forecast. We'll get through tomorrow, then lots of sunshine for the weekend. We stay seasonable as we get into early next week with more rain chances by the end of the latter part of next week. River Valley about the same thing. Plenty of heavy rain tomorrow, sunshine for the weekend, temperatures about where they should be for this time of the year in the 60s and 70s. It was not a good day for the Razorbacks today on the hardwood. Their season hard ending. More in sports after the break.